In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide posts from Facebook profile. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. Now at the top left corner, you can see your profile picture. Tap on it. Now your profile appears. Just scroll down, you can find the post that you have shared in your Facebook. Now how can you hide it? For that, go to your menu. Tap on the menu option. Now go to the settings given at the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon. Now tap on this option, profile settings. Over here you can find different options. Just scroll down. Under your Facebook information, you can find this option of activity log. Open it. Now tap on this option, manage your post. Now over here you can find different posts that you have shared. Now what you have to do is to hide it. Just tap on this three dots. Now here you can see this option of hide from profile. Tap on it. And it is done. Now you can go back to your profile and check it out. You can see that post is hidden. In this way, you can easily hide posts from Facebook profile. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.